Good evening. These are the peaches we have left from our trip to Eckert's peach picking day, and I used most of them, but there's enough left for me to make some peach rum sauce. This is a recipe I got from one of my favorite ball canning books. I will have a link down below if you're interested in looking at those books. So what I need to do is peel the peaches. I need 6 cups of chopped peeled peaches, 2 cups of lightly packed brown sugar, 2 cups of regular sugar, 3/4 cup rum, and 1 teaspoon lemon zest. This is the rum we have on hand, so this is the rum that we're gonna use. And it's pretty standard canning. Mix everything together and boil it till it dissolves. This one is actually slightly different because we are going to boil the mixture for about 20 minutes until it thickens, and then put it in the jars with 1/4 inch headspace and water bath can for 10 minutes. So the longest and hardest part is peeling all these peaches. The mixture is 2 cups white sugar, 2 cups brown sugar, lemon zest. You can see a little, I've already got it a little wet. 3/4 cup of rum, and then the 6 cup of chopped peaches. Pour that in there, mix it all together, bring it to a boil until the sugar dissolves, and then reduce the heat. Boil gently for 20 minutes. This is the mixture. It's been boiling for about 16 minutes. It's still pretty watery, so I'm probably gonna boil it more than the 20 minutes. It's one of those, like, you just gotta boil it till it gets to the consistency you like. And this is supposed to be like a sauce, so I definitely want it a little thicker. I'm imagining like pouring this over ice cream or maybe on top of a waffle. So I kind of want it to have a syrup consistency. The problem with peaches is they are so juicy. Like, I didn't have to add any water because the peaches are just so naturally juicy. So I really gotta evaporate a lot of this liquid. Here is the rum sauce mixture. I boiled it at pretty much like medium to low heat for 30 minutes. I'm liking the consistency now. I just did a taste test and it tastes amazing. So I'm gonna start spooning it in the jars. And I believe, I don't know. I always like estimate. I'm like, it says it's gonna fit like 7 jars. I got 8. I'm bad at estimating this, so let's see how many jars this fills. It did fill 7 jelly jars, which is what the recipe said. There is a little bit left over. I'm just gonna let it cool down and let my husband taste test it. I am getting ready to debubble and then wipe down the rims and then put the lids on. I've not used these lids before. These are Golden Harvest brand. You can be found at Dollar General and Walmart. My mom picked me up a couple, actually like 6 boxes. They're pretty cheap. They're like $2.66 at Dollar General. I think they're a little more at Walmart. I prefer the Ball brand, but my mom gave me these, so I'm gonna try them. I have canned over 100 jars in the last month, and they have all sealed perfectly with the Ball lids. So let's hope that the Golden Harvest works too. There's no date, like you can write on it, but you know, like the Ball has like a little couple lines for the date. So this is blank, nothing on it, but that's fine. Anyway, I'm gonna debubble it, and then they're gonna be water bath canned for 10 minutes. This is just a mini pound cake that is sold at my grocery store by Intamans. And I discovered them this year. I love them. So I am going to spoon this mixture on it. Not all of it. Maybe all of it. Make sure I get some peaches. So then Robert can get the rest of the peaches. Take this up to Robert and see what he thinks. I think it tastes amazing, but we'll let Robert be the deciding factor. All right, I'm I'm in Bob's office, and hi, Bob.
Hello.
This is the peach rum sauce. Still a little warm. This is before it's canned, so it'll thicken up a little bit as it's being water bathed. So anyway, go ahead and tell me what you think. Isn't it good? Isn't it good?
Oh man.
I really enjoyed it. It's still
warm.
It's
not just sweet. It's like there's other flavors.
Yes. Do you like that? It's still a little warm.
It is good.
So I think it'd be really good, like on waffles and stuff.
Oh man.
All right.
Peach upside down cake.
Is it like peach upside down cake?
I don't know. I've never had peach upside down
cake. So can
cake.
you taste the rum at all? Not really, right?
No.
Because it's been cooked out pretty much. Because it was low boiled for like 30 minutes.
Okay.
So.
I don't taste any rum.
Sorry.
I mean, there's a hint. Hint.
Well, that's good for, you know.
Good. It's very good.
All right. I'm glad you like it. Good morning. It is the next morning. Remember when you should just like leave your jars undisturbed for 24 hours so they can like cool down and set and seal properly. It's only been like 10 hours. But I just wanted to show them real quick. They all sealed. I removed the lids or rims. I don't store it with rims. Most canners don't store it with rims. So various reasons, but I always take them off, and then it also makes it easier to wipe down because sometimes like when you're canning, sticky stuff will get right here. So you want to like wipe down your lids and your jars and stuff. So here is the rum sauce. It looks really good, and we taste tested it, and it tastes really good. A little darker, but it does have rum sauce, and it is peaches boiled down. So very happy with how that turned out.